Welcome to Finantax Clips Part 2, where we uncover the shocking financial state of average America. Get ready to dive into some eye-opening financial statistics that reveal the economic challenges faced by the average American. Brace yourself. Income inequality. Income inequality is a persistent issue, with the concentration of wealth at the very top skyrocketing. The top 1% took home a staggering 16.7% of all income, while the bottom 90% earned a mere 50.3%. It's a gap that continues to widen, raising concerns about the future. Debt levels. Prepare to be floored. Total household debt in the US has reached an unfathomable $15.24 trillion. That's right, trillion. This includes mortgage debt of $10.44 trillion, student loan debt at $1.56 trillion, and credit card debt at $820 billion. These numbers speak volumes about the overwhelming financial burden borne by many Americans. Student loan crisis. The student loan crisis is hitting hard. The average graduate in 2021 was saddled with around $37,000 in student loan debt. And it's not just affecting a few people. The burden weighs on about 45 million Americans. This dark cloud hangs over their dreams of home ownership, entrepreneurship, and retirement savings challenges. It's time to face the harsh reality. A shocking 28% of Americans have absolutely no emergency savings, and working-age families only have a median retirement savings of a measly $8,000. This lack of financial cushion leaves them vulnerable to unexpected expenses and uncertain futures. Housing affordability. The struggle for affordable housing is real. Believe it or not, a full-time minimum wage worker cannot afford a two-bedroom rental home anywhere in the US. This glaring fact highlights the tremendous challenges people face in achieving housing stability. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If these jaw-dropping facts have left you stunned, hit that like button, subscribe for more eye-opening content, and share to raise awareness. Together, we can shed light on the financial realities plaguing average America. Thanks for tuning in to Finantax Clips, and until next time.